welcome to our little wild camp tonight. So yeah, we just got here, just setting up. The idea is tonight is to cook up a little bit of dinner once the sun goes down. It'll be a bit later actually. Yeah, cook up a bit of dinner. Bought loads of good old scrumpy from the farm shop nearby, so that's going to be delicious. But I note also that there's no percentage written on there because, oh, I don't know, I think it's for tax reasons. It might be a bit stronger than it's supposed to be. So we have to see what happens. Hopefully we won't get moved on because there's no way we're going to be able to drive a car anywhere tonight. So we'll have to just see what happens. But I'm quietly confident, you know, as long as you're respectful, leave no trace, you're not dicking about, should be alright.
Should be good. Looking forward to it.
Yeah, same here. Get a little fire on as well, won't we?
Oh.
Good, right. We'll just tuck into the cider now and then get a bit more settled.
Oi. Alright, Jesus Christ.
Cheers.
And that.
Cheers.
It's dangerous.
It is dangerous, yeah. Well, this is the stuff we used to go to those cider festivals up at Middle Farm. But you'd have a couple of these, and then your legs would stop working.
Yeah, right, great.
So it started to rain,
Yeah.
just spitting really.
Hence the poncho.
Yeah.
It's not for fashion reasons. Trust me.
So we're just we're having a little wild camp. Shh! Don't tell anyone else. That's my tent, the little Lanchan 2 Pro, my favourite little tent. That's Marcus's Hex Peak, very solid little pyramid tent. For any gear junkies out there, like I said, we don't really talk about our gear much in this, but you probably picked it up from previous videos, hopefully. This is my tent, it's the Lanchan 2 Pro. I've got a couple of these, got the 3-season one as well, but I just took the summer one out today. So I've had this out on many a backpacking trip and it's just brilliant. I love it. I'm a big fan of these. It's the simplicity and the weight. I haven't had to experience any severe winds. Always a bit dubious about very high winds, but then I think that's just going to come down to how you're going to pitch it. Particularly at the moment, you can see it's quite high. If there's high winds, I'd have this right down to the ground, just so it doesn't act as a wind scoop. Always have these little backpacking chairs. I mean, we've got the Helinox high back chair Zero as well, but that's really going to be for our big camps. This is the nature hike one, so it's a bit more it's a bit heavier, but it's a lot sturdier. I always worry about the Helinox high back chair Zero, the new one that came out this year. I always worry that it's going to break because it is so light. I think that's the same one in black. Inside the tent, what have we got? So I've got my Revelation, what is it? Enlightened Equipment Revelation custom made quilt, which I absolutely love. Underneath that, I've got the Sea to Summit Etherlight XT pad. And just today, this is total overkill tonight because the temperature is only going to come down to about 6. Total overkill, but I've got this little Z mat underneath as well. Because since I turned the heating off at home, I've been freezing. So I'm just wanting to be toasty for once. I'll be warmer in this than I will in my own house, to be honest. So we've got this beautiful little clearing. It means no one can really see us because we're kind of in the middle of all these gorse bushes, which is really good. So it offers a fair bit of privacy. We have just assembled our campfire cook imp thingy tonight. So we've made a little tripod, lashed it together with a bit of paracord, grabbed this from an old barbecue at home, and our little portable fire pit. It's about 900 grams, it's really good, weighs nothing, and it is, you don't think it's gonna, you know, you think it's still gonna scorch the ground even with a raging fire, but it doesn't, it really doesn't. So last time we were up here, it didn't even burn the grass, did it?
Didn't burn it.
No, it just started to dry out a bit. Yeah, crispy. So yeah, lovely evening. It's splitting with rain a little bit, but we're all right. It's all about the right gear, isn't it?
Absolutely.
Yeah. Let's get the onions on and then get the sausages on.
Chris has MacGyvered himself a spatula or a...
Or a stirry thingy.
Yeah.
Yeah, sausages, onions in a whole baguette each. Perfect. Hopefully soak up a bit of this bloody cider.
Just cooking some wild boar and apple sausages over the fire with our little makeshift grill.
Very nice, sir.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. Here you go. Chin chin.
Chin chin.
Good morning. Just woken up. It's 5:45. And yeah, birds are chirping. I'll get up in a minute. Perhaps start packing my stuff away and get coffee on. But yeah, a really good night's sleep. Really good night's sleep actually. Oh, I could stay in this bed for ages. So nice, but I'm gonna get packed up and start hiding the traces.